Hey everyone, it's Audrey Spute, and I'm going to take you through this semester as we go over some food for thought and discuss Formally Yours and the social media that I created for this brand. So we're going to go full course, starting with the appetizer. I created this website, Formally Yours, in the fall semester for a different class, and I wanted to continue with that this semester. I made a new logo, which you can see here, to represent the brand a little bit better than what I had before. Prior to the semester, I didn't have any social media representation for this, and I didn't have any experience either, outside of my own personal accounts. I didn't have an Instagram personal account, though, so that was new to me, and there was a lot of learning. It was fun learning, though. I enjoyed it, and I feel like I've learned a lot throughout the semester. My original goals were 100 to 200 followers on Instagram and Pinterest, and 500 views per video posted. And that was a little rambunctious, I guess. It wasn't really realistic, and over the beginning of the course I kind of realized that, since I didn't have anything, and I kind of worked through my posts and changed my goals kind of to more of a brand recognition and then influx of posts regardless of perfection, which was something I struggled with a lot because I wanted to make sure everything looked perfect, and it kind of set me back, and I didn't post as much because I was so anxious about it being perfect. So, on to the next course. These posts. Right now, I have this post. It just barely ended. It was the ad that I had. On the right here, you have the Instagram. On the left is the Pinterest. Instagram did way better, although I did get some metrics, some likes and repins on Pinterest and follows. Generally, the text was the same, although I feel like the hashtags overall got more reach, and posting it on Instagram, at least, around early afternoon 1 to 2 actually made it a lot better. And I got more likes, more responses, and it was interesting to me to find that out. Alright, on to the main course, which are my major posts. So I had several types of posts. I had graphic, kind of a process finished here that you see, with the chicken, and then over here with the finished product. Obviously this graphic was paid, but overall the finished project images did better than like the chicken where it looks like it just came out of the oven, which it did, so that was interesting to me to find out. And on to the last bit, which was growth, which is the sweetest part, which is why it's the dessert. Throughout the semester I got more likes, obviously, because I gained more followers. I learned more of how to talk to these audiences who like food, who enjoy cooking, and like I mentioned earlier, posts made early in the afternoon did better than those like right at lunchtime or right at dinner time, like 6, 7-ish. My stats. I have 21 followers on Instagram currently. Around the middle of the semester I had nearly 40, I think it was like 37, 39-ish. And I have 0 followers on Pinterest, but I do have several likes. And I averaged about 11 likes per post on Instagram. So I'm really excited. I'm going to keep going with this. These posts on the side I just made 2 days ago. So I'm already getting likes. I have several comments on them, and I'm really excited to keep going with this even though the semester is ending, and I'm really excited to take all that I've learned from the reading and from experience and apply this to the rest of my life and my social media experience. Thanks for watching. Bye.